Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to explore something special. The art of crafting wreath. Wreath have been a symbol of tradition, celebration, and creativity of centuries. For centuries, for Xmas to weddings, from seasonal decor to personal gifts, wreath hold a timeless beauty. But beyond decoration, making wreath offers so many benefits for our mind, our creativity, and home and even for the planet. Let's dive deep into the world of crafting and discover the many gifts of wreath making. The joy of crafting. Crafting is in any form is more than just crafting objects. It's a therapy for the soul. When we use our hands, imagination, and creativity, we enter a calm, joyful state. Crafting helps reduce stress, improves focus, and gives us a break from daily worries. And wreath making is one of the most joyful crafts because it combines beauty, tradition, and personal expressions in one project. A wreath is more than just decoration, it's a symbol in many cultures. Wreath represent unity, eternity, and celebration. A circular shape has no beginning and no end, symbolize life and hope. Seasonal wreath made with flowers, leaves, or recycled items carry the spirit of nature into our home. When you hang a wreath on your door, it doesn't just beautify your home, it also welcomes guests with warmth and positivity. Making a wreath allows endless creativity. You can choose color, texture, flowers, ribbons, or recycle items to match your style. Every wreath is unique and it becomes a reflection of your personality. The process of arranging flowers, tying ribbons, or waving branches is calming and meditative. It gives your mind a chance to slow down, focus, and enjoy the perfect moment. Wreath making improves fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and teaches patience. Every little step, cutting, arranging, gluing, is a lesson in focus and discipline. Wreath instantly brighten up a space, whether it's your front door, wall, or table centerpiece. Wreath or add charms and character. Handmade wreath are more meaningful than a store-bought does. Once because they carry love and effort. One of the best things about wreath is that they can be made with nature or recycled materials, jute, fabric, scraps, old ornaments, buttons, or even paper. This reduces waste and helps protect the environment. Wreath is perfect for every season and occasion. Xmas wreath brings holiday cheer with pine cones, bells, and light. Spring wreath celebration renewal with flowers and greenery. Autumn wreath add warmth with leaves, burlap, and rustic tones. Wedding wreaths symbolize love and unity. Each wreath connects us to nature, tradition, and celebration in a meaningful way. Wreath making is not just about the finished product, it's about the experience. Crafting teach together as a family builds strong bonds. Teaching children how to make wreath gives them confidence and creativity. Sharing handmade wreath as gifts brings joy and appreciation to loved ones. Every wreath carries a story and that makes it priceless. Wreath making is also a wonderful way to earn. Handmade wreaths are always in demand, especially during festive season. People love buying unique personalized wreaths for their homes. This makes wreath making a great option for a small business, side income, or even professional crafting careers. One of the most beautiful benefits of wreath crafting is the joy of giving. Imagine gifting someone a handmade wreath. It's not just a decoration, it's a symbol of love, care, and creativity. Unlike store-bought gifts, handmade wreaths carry a personal touch that leaves lasting memories. So, as we have seen, wreath making is not just about decoration, it's about creativity, mindfulness, connection, tradition, and sustainability. When you craft a wreath, you are not only making something beautiful for your home, you are also creating peace for your mind, joy for your heart, and meaning for your life. So the next time you pick up ribbons, flowers, or recycle